Hi. In this video, I would like to discuss about the write function. Write function is also very good function in Excel, which will help you to extract data from right side of the character or word. Okay, so let's see the definition part of the write function. Write function extract data a substring from the string, starting from the rightmost character. So this is the definition part. Let's see directly practical approach of the uh, write function. So see here, this is the first I'm telling you basic use of the write function. So here what I have to do, you need to pick three character from left side, right side. So you need to apply here write function. Text, you have first parameter text, so you have to take reference of this comma. From right side you have to pick three characters, so here I'm taking three character, enter. So see here you are getting three character of each name. So MAR, this three character I'm getting from right side. Okay, so in Jha, Ravi Jha, I'm getting these three character from right side. In Ramkrishna Sinha, I'm getting these three character from right side. But here I'm passing static value as a 3. But I want to make it dynamic. How we can make it dynamic? The scenario is you need to pick the last name. Last name is Kumar Jha Sinha. So each last name has different number of characters. So how we can pick the last name? So you need to apply here. Logic is to pick the last name is total length of this is 11, and you have to pick the position of this. So you need to pick the position of this through the find function. Put here blank because I want to pick the position of blank, comma, within text, in this text, bracket close, enter. So 11 minus 6, 11 minus 6 is this minus this. See here you are getting output as a 5 character. 5 character you have to pick from right side, so you will get Kumar. Okay, so if I drag this function in downside, so this much character you have to pick from right side in Ravi Jha. So three character is Jha. If I talk about the Sinha has 5 character, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the way to pick the last name. So I will apply all these things in one function. So first you need to pick the total length of this, bracket close, minus position of blank, find position of blank. Then you have to take this, bracket close, enter. So this output you are getting, this much character you have to pick from right side. So you need to apply write function now. So here I'm taking write function. Text you have to pass this text, comma, enter. Now you can see here you are getting last name dynamically. So this is the way to pick the last name. So that's all for this video. So I will discuss more about the write function in next example. So thank you so much.